Hey there, how's it going everybody? Welcome back, Plant Abundance here. I'm out here in the backyard food forest with my wife Alice. It's a gorgeous evening on this Friday night, and what better way to spend it than harvesting some fresh produce from the garden. Alice is about to start harvesting the Armenian cucumbers growing all over the hugel culture. Let's go check that out. Armenian cucumbers are growing everywhere. Now, these Armenian cucumbers have several names actually. They're also known as yard-long gourd, snake gourd, or snake melon. And although the name implies it's a cucumber, it's actually in the muskmelon family, closely related to cucumbers.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. So these guys can get up to 3 feet long or even larger than that, but it's best to harvest them when they're around 12 inches. 12 to 15 inches is good. That's when they taste the best. And look at that. That's a perfect one right there. Now I find these to be really delicious. I've mentioned before I like to put them in my juices. I like to chop them up, put them in salads. There's one over here too, honey. And I always utilize the skin. There's no bitterness to this cucumber whatsoever, which is really nice. Sometimes just your standard cucumbers can have a really bitter taste. Most of the time not, but I've come across some cucumbers that are just like, ugh, never that with the Armenian cucumbers. And they're so prolific, and they get going so early in the season, and they extend out late into the season. Beautiful. There's some more over here, I know.
Oh my God, it's a lot.
Yeah. So I planted a few different plants on this hugel culture mound, and as you can see, it's doing a wonderful job covering the blank spaces that were on the mound.
Should I take all of
Here's
it?
where yeah, go ahead, harvest them all. See the flowers? There's just flowers everywhere. Each one of those will become a fruit. They get pollinated. This is mixed into the longevity spinach here. Whoa, nice little cluster of Armenian cucumbers there. Awesome. It's absolutely amazing how quickly these cucumbers will grow. I mentioned before, they can grow 8 inches overnight. If you give them a lot of water. Now you can see with this one why they might call it a snake gourd. There you go.
Should I get all of it?
Yeah, get them all. They keep well. You can put them in the crisper in the fridge, or you can keep them on the counter for a couple days, no problem. Getting kind of overflowing on the basket there, huh? But I would suggest not only growing this cucumber or melon, but actually juicing them up. That's awesome looking. Look at that.
I think I have to leave that one. I want my mom to see it and just...
No, there'll be plenty more growing up when Mom gets here.
In 3 days?
Oh yeah. See that harvest? Not bad, not bad. So these guys grow really well just on the ground or atop a hugel culture like you see here, or you can grow them up a trellis. They're very ornamental, so it could be fun to grow them up a trellis so that you can see them better. They tend to hide out when they're growing along the ground. Alright, so I'm going to cut one of these open so you guys can see the inside, what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? And we'll do...
Can I try?
Oh yeah. As you can see, I cut it in half, but you can make some really, if you cut it as a whole in slices, you can make some really ornamental pieces of cucumber. Go ahead, try one, babe.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
It's like a very just fresh cucumber.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste anything like a melon to me. It just tastes like a completely non-bitter cucumber.
Huh?
And the skin's not tough at all either. There she goes. What's up, Doc? Oh wait, no, it's a carrot.
Crunchy.
Sit up.
Crunchy and watery.
Mm-hmm. And healthy. That's about it for now. We're gonna head on into the kitchen, and I'm gonna be making up a juice for this evening, and the wife's gonna be doing a bit of cooking. What are you doing?
I'm looking the corn when I have to harvest. It's almost. I enjoy inside the corn.
You're in the cornfield?
I am in the cornfield, corn forest.
Yep, these are just about ready. Getting really close. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Have yourself a wonderful weekend. I'll be talking to you again real soon. Take care.